Welcome. In front of me I have DOOGEE S96 Pro, and today I'm going to make the fingerprint sensor test. In this smartphone, the sensor you can find on the right edge. It's right here in this place, and it's under the power key. So I'm going to make a few tries and let's see how this sensor performs on the smartphone. So let's start. So as you can see, it works fast. Right now it's reliable. It recognizes my fingerprint every time. Okay, right now there's some kind of the bug. Oh, I just put my finger a little bit incorrect. Whoa, so to be honest, I'm really surprised of the speed of that sensor. For that price range, it works really nice. So as you can see, the sensor in this smartphone works really good. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.